Hello guys, it's Gil. In this video, I am gonna cover how to cash in and cash out in your Coins.ph account. And so the first thing you need to do is to look for the cash in icon on the second row and then tap it. So inside this menu, you are given a lot of cash in options. Now we have here Palawan Pawn Shop, Western Union, Mnulier, Union Bank, Click, 7-Eleven, and so on. And more options if you scroll it down. You have online bank transfer, over-the-counter banking, remittance center, department store, Globe GCash, and kiosk payments. But these options require longer time for your funds to be reflected on your PHP wallet. But guys, if you want instant credit like within seconds, then let's go back to the top and choose one of the payment options here. Here, for instance, we have Palawan Pawn Shop. This is the most convenient for me to use and the nearest from my location, and I think they have the cheapest transaction fee. Here we go, we tap on it and then we need to key in the amount. For this instance, we will key in 100,000 pesos just to see the limits of Palawan Pawn Shop. Now, you can see here guys that the limit of Palawan Pawn Shop cash in is 50,000 pesos. So this is the limit of its cash in for a single transaction. And if you want cash in 100,000, then you need to do 2 transactions in this case. But this is of course subject to your level of membership in Coins.ph. Whether you are level 1, you have a daily cash in of 2,000. Level 2 is I think 50,000. Level 3 is 400,000. So it depends guys. So now we try to reduce the amount. We remove 1 0 there to make it 10,000. And now there you go guys. Outlet fee is already 40 pesos. So as you remove zeros or reduce the amount, the outlet fee correspondingly reduces as well. So let's try remove more zeros here. So the outlet fee is 20 for 100 and then 10. So let's try 10. Then tap next. Confirm. So now we have arrived at the last step of the cash in method. Now we are requested to pay the total amount of 30 PHP within 7 hours. Guys, I advise you to not use this request or the reference number if you are very near or has passed the 7-hour deadline. In that case, you have to disregard this transaction, produce new request, and use the new reference number to pay. In that way, you can be sure that you are still paying with a valid transaction. Scroll down this page and you will see the send money form. You fill the form exactly as shown here, especially the receiver name and the cash-in amount, and you will also receive these payment instructions in your email. I recommend that you do a screenshot of these payment details, guys, and bring it to the branch. As you scroll further, you will see step 3, complete your payment, and you will receive your funds in your wallet instantly. Instantly, as in within seconds, guys. As soon as they enter your payment in their computer, it shall be reflected in your PHP wallet. Go there, check it, make sure of it before leaving the branch. So if you scroll further, you will see summary. So that's it guys, I have just finished discussing the cash-in method. You can also check your email if you forgot the cash-in methods, the reference number, and the cash-in amount. The next topic that I'm going to discuss to you is the cash-out method. To do this, you need to tap the cash-out icon on the second row. So in here we have cash out options. We have bank, GCash, scroll down, remittance, cash card, door-to-door delivery, tollway credits, coins, cash card. So we would like to try one. We will try Palawan Pawn Shop. So here you need to key in the amount again that you want to cash out. Let's say 10,000 pesos. Alright, you must have at least 10,160 pesos in your account, in your Peso wallet. So basically for 10,000 pesos, you have to pay the transaction fee of 160 pesos if you opt for Palawan Pawn Shop remittance cash pickup. Now how about if you try to cash out from a major bank in the Philippines? You just have to tap bank. So it shows you a list of banks in the Philippines that you can do cash out from Coins.ph. So basically you just have to scroll down and look for the bank that you want to put your money in. We have here a lot of banks. All major banks in the Philippines are here. You see PB, Wealth Bank, and so on. Now we have to try one bank here, and let's tap on BPI. Here, the same thing as in the cash in method, you need to enter first your desired amount to cash out. Now, one thing I need you to note, guys, is the estimated delivery time. You see the yellow portion on top of this page? It says that their cutoff is 10 a.m. So if you process this cash out before 10 a.m., you will receive the funds the same day by 6 p.m. Otherwise, you will receive it later on the next business day. So now we try to enter 10,000 pesos. It says not enough funds in your Peso wallet. So obviously, we cannot go to the next step. But anyway, if you click next, it would just bring you to the page that would ask you three things. First thing is the recipient account name. Second thing is the recipient bank account number. And the third thing, which is only optional, the recipient mobile number. And that's it. Confirm your cash out and you're done. The next thing that I would recommend you to do is to go back and check your history. Tap the history icon and then look for the cash out that you have just made. Just for the sake of this demo, I want you to see a transaction that I just made previously. Click show more details and then boom, you have the full details of your transaction. So there you go, guys. We have finished the cash out method. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you have any questions, just post your comments below and I will be glad to answer every one of it. This is Gil Olana right here. See you in the next video. I am out. Ciao.